I am Shavati. I'm a manager in 𝗙𝗿𝗀𝗀𝗀. I'm going to share my NAATI and PT journey with you guys. It was not an easy journey, but I was looked after from day one. With regular mock tests, intensive vocabulary, and one-on-one feedback helped me to crack it in the first go.
स्वाति फोन छੱਡ ਦੇ ਰੋਟੀ ਖਾ ਲਾ ਕੀ ਹੋਇਆ
फोन किसे छड़ना मैं मेरे नंबर नहीं आ रही पीटी ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਰੋਟੀ ਦਾ ਕੀ ਕਰਨਾ ਮੈਂ
There were lots of ups and downs in my PT journey. Due to family commitments, I was not able to come regularly. But right before my exam, I managed to sit in the lab for straight 6 to 8 hours every day.
Oh my god.
I used to get feedback straight away. Moreover, I was asked to give mock exams almost every day. I even used to study at my workplace while eating lunch and before sleeping as well. I think environment was also another factor which assisted me to get my desired scores in PTE. My final message for all the PTE and NAATI aspirants is that practice is the key to success. Also, right guidance plays an equal importance as well. I definitely recommend Language Academy to all my friends and audience watching my journey. Thank you guys. Thank you Language Academy team.
Very good. Wow, that's good. 19 speaking. Congratulations.
Thank you.